Good morning, children. Let's begin chapter 16, construction today. Okay. In this chapter, we will learn how to draw the different angles with the help of compass. Okay. This is compass, and in the last video, I have taught you how to draw the angles with the help of protractor. In this, we will learn how to draw the angles with the help of compass also. And in this chapter we have many things like how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line and angle bisector and many more things. So through the exercise we will deal one by one all the questions and you will understand better. Okay, so let's begin. Let's start question number 1. Construct angle equal to the given angles. These are the given angles. We have to construct angle equal to this. How? Let's understand. First of all, we will draw a line. Okay. Now point out this vertex. Now we are going to measure this, or we are going to make an arc from this vertex B of any radius. Okay, according to your convenience, you just open the compass this much or this much and draw an arc like this. Okay, I have drawn this arc. Now, with the same radius, don't touch it, okay? Don't close or open it. With the same radius, we are going to draw an arc here also in this line segment. Hold it properly. Okay, drawn an arc. Now we will measure this 2 point where it is cut. This arc is cutting at AB at point this and BC at point this. Okay, so we will measure this. Keep your compass like this and measure this. Okay, this much. Okay, that much only we are going to cut an arc from here. Put your compass here at this point and cut an arc on this. Okay, now where it is cutting, there you locate one point like this. Now join this 2 point. Which 2 point? This vertex and this point. Okay, sorry, not that one. Put your scale properly. Join this properly. Okay, this angle will be equal to this angle. You can measure and see. Okay, we can measure with the help of this also. This is, we can check 50 degree and this is also 50 degree, you can see. Okay, now B number. First of all, we have to draw. Let's see, we have to draw B number. Here I am showing you. Draw a line. Okay, now next step, we have to make an arc of any radius which intersect this ray AB and BC. Okay, like this. Radius you will take properly. Make an arc properly like this. Okay, can you see? Like this you will make an arc. Okay, now with the same radius we are going to make an arc on this line also at this point. Okay, drawn. Now measure this one, putting your compass here and pencil at this side. This is that much. Open this up to here. This is the measurement. With the same measurement, you have to cut this arc by putting your compass at this point properly. It is cutting at this point. Now point out this and this. Now join these two. Join these two. You can see these two angles will be equal. You can measure this also. This is 120 degree. This is also 120 degree. Okay, both are equal. The same manner, can you do this one? You will draw an arc by putting the compass here. Okay, with the same arc you draw another arc. In this same manner you have to do C number also. This is your homework. Now question number 2 is, students, using a protractor draw the following angles. You have to use the protractor to draw the angles. Using how to use protractor I have taught you in the last video. Previous chapter, draw a line and then put your protractor. This point and this line should coincide like this and draw 72 degree, 36 degree, 150. In this you have to use protractor. But in question number 3, this is your homework, question number 2. But question number 3, using a ruler and a compass, you have to use ruler and compass and draw these angles. And after drawing this angle, you have to bisect the angle. Okay. So first of all, I will teach you how to draw these angles. And after that, we will bisect them. Okay. Now in this video we will learn 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree how to draw by using compass. Okay, bisection, how to bisect these angles I will teach you in the next video. First you understand how to draw these angles. Okay, so first of all we will draw a line, straight line. Okay, after that by putting your compass at this point or this point, any point or in middle, anywhere you can take to draw angle. Suppose I am taking this point. Put your compass here. I am going to draw 60 degree. Okay. Draw an arc of any radius. Open the compass as much as you want and then draw the arc. Yes, after drawing this arc, okay, we are going to put our compass here at this point where it is touching. This arc is cutting this line here. Okay, now put your compass at this point and with the same radius as you have opened while making this arc, with the same radius you have to cut this arc here. Okay, by putting your compass here. Just one cut you will cut properly. Now this point and this point you have to join. Simple. This is 60 degree angle. Okay. Now how to draw 90 degree? You understand here. First of all, we will make one straight line. Okay. You can put your compass here also, or here also, anywhere. Okay. So put it properly. First you set your compass properly. I am going to put it here because I want 90 degree angle here. So draw an arc first. Okay. Yes. After that you put your compass here and make one, cut an arc on this arc only. Now put the compass here on this cut only. Okay, and make one more arc here. Okay. Now put again on this point and put an arc here up, and then put the point compass here on this point and cut an arc here on this arc. Now where it is, this two arc is meeting, intersecting, this point you locate, and this point we are going to join. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree angle, this here to here. Okay, what I have done, just see again, you will see 2-3 times videos. Okay, first I have drawn an arc, after that I put the compass here and cut an arc here. After that I put the compass again here and cut another arc. After that from here to here one cut, and from here to here one more cut. Where this is meeting, you just locate one point, and this point you have to join with the help of scale. Got it? Now how to draw an angle of 120 degree. This is also very important. You just see here 120 degree we are going to draw. Okay students, you tell me 60 plus 60 is equal to what? 60 plus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Okay. So how to draw 120 degree angle? This is a line segment. We will draw 60 degree first. 60 degree I have taught you right now. This is 60 degree. What I did? First we will make one arc of any radius like this. Okay. After that, put your compass here and make one arc on this. Okay, this is 60 degree. And if one more 60 degree we will make, that is equal to 120 degree. So how to make one more 60 degree? Again put your compass here and make one arc here. Now look, this point and this point we will join. This angle is 120 degree. Okay. 2 times 60 degree we have made. First I have put the compass here and made one arc. And after that I have put the compass here and made one more arc. Okay. And this point we have joined. This is equal to 120 degree. Okay. Next video we will discuss how to bisect these angles. Okay. Till then practice it again and again. Okay.